So the second concept, after understanding butter, ghee, oiling of the body, internal and external, is fasting. When you eat less, when you do especially something called the Ekadashi fast. When you fast on Ekadashi days, which happens twice a month, that fasting, and that also, there is a system to fast. Not only that one day you have to eat fruits, the half day before, Ekadashi day, and half day later, when you subject your body to this rest. Now imagine my staff reaches the office at 10 o'clock and I tell them, go home, it's a holiday today. They start dancing. Everybody is so happy. Now imagine the same thing for your body. Suddenly I don't give food to my body, burdening it with all the time. Achha, the other thing about Indians, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Any time in between, they see any chiuda, any samosa, any biscuit, the whole day is going on. There's no rest, vada pav. There's no rest to the system. And that causes so much stress to the body. It causes so much, it's just not needed. I've always said in my classes on Kundalini Yoga also that the garbage in the stomach converts to the tamas in the mind. The tamas in the mind converts to the tamas in the aura. And the tamas in the aura creates a negativity and the negative energy around you, which converts to tamas in your life. So fasting, it might even sound unbelievable. The days I fast, I have magical business deals happening in my life. Like I make more money also. I have a very happy day from every point of view. It's so beneficial in so many ways that it's shocking that the whole world should not wake up to it. Is why some people say they get a headache when they fast and what they should do.
Actually, fasting is such a big subject that we have talked for 2 days, right from morning 9 to 6 on Saturday and Sunday, only on fasting. Such a big subject it is. First thing, in India, fasting is very different. And that is not fasting actually. For today breakfast, have you enjoyed that tapioca khichdi, sabudana khichdi? On fasting day, we prepare sabudana vada. We prepare sabudana khichdi, which is more heavier than the normal food. So, actually, according to Ayurveda, what is scientific fasting? That I want to tell you first. And Ayurveda says, Ekadanya bhuktva. Ekadanya. How we eat for breakfast or lunch or dinner, either we have bajra, we have jawar, we have gehu. So these are the different 3 types of the grains that we are eating. On fasting day, you can choose any one. Okay, so if I take the rice, I will not take the dal. I can have the buttermilk. I can have something like that. If I prepare the chapati, I will just eat the Indian bread, nothing else. This you can do for the whole day, no problem at all. So this is Ekadhanya. Now another fasting people ask Bijay that how can we stay on only vegetable or vegetable juice or the fruit juice or on the fruits, etc. The best fasting without salt. This is the best fasting. I will tell you, there are different types. The best is you will not eat anything which has salt. Then you can eat unlimited. You will not be able to. Even though we are putting salt, we are putting in everything. Even in the salad, even in the soup, even in dal, rice, wheat, everything we put it. Just take that out and you will be normal. Another thing is you can stay on only vegetables. Sometimes, see, I take the example of fire that we made. Yesterday also, the chits that we put it into the campfire. How we start the campfire? We have the big wood, dry wood we have. But if we lit it, it will not start. Initially, we have to have a dry grass. And then we put the dry grass, then we have the little more stem, and then we can go to the main thing. Our food is like that. See, the big the wood that we prepare the fire, that is our main meal. But what we are suggesting, what is fasting? Fasting means we want to take you to the grass. So when you are fasting, you become hungry again and again. Every after 2 hours, you feel having something. Eat it, no problem. I've given you one example of vegetable. So you can prepare the vegetable, you can eat that, After 2 hours, if you feel hungry, now you feel I don't want that vegetable again, I want something else, put it into the mixer, prepare some soup like that, take that. So like that, but you stay on that only. If you want to stay on smoothie, no problem. For the whole day you can have the smoothie. If you want to have on soup or something like that, you can do that. So the fasting has different types. Pitta people, those who cannot tolerate, many times I ask my clients that if you don't get the food, what will happen?
Hungry.
Then some of the people I will say I can manage. Those are the Kapha dominant people. Pitta people, they say I become mad. My head will be hurting, I have something. So different type. Or sometimes they have the tremors, they feel uneasy, sometimes they collapse also. So these are the strong Pitta people. So the fasting should be different for constitution wise also. You should ask the question to yourself, can you tolerate that? Otherwise you can change it. Buttermilk is one of the thing. I am not talking about curd. Dahi I am not talking about. I am talking about buttermilk. There is a lot of difference between the buttermilk and that. Buttermilk is very nice for those people who have a problem in the colon. I am talking about the friendly bacteria which are present over here. So in India, it is customary that after completing the food, we have a glass of buttermilk, fresh buttermilk, which is good.
Not at night, no?
Huh?
Not at night.
Not at night. But if you are drinking at night, that is permitted in summer.
Oh,
That is
I
permitted
did
in
not.
summer. But otherwise, you can have it during the day. So the fasting is actually good, as we enjoy fasting of work on sometimes Saturday, Sunday, or in our country, half Saturday and complete Sunday, like that. So if we are having fasting for work, why not for our body? It is strongly recommended. It is strongly recommended. You try whatever is good for you.
Okay, I have a question. Is it good to graduate and go towards a fasting discipline where instead of vegetables or fruits, is it good to go to the level where you don't eat anything at all, maybe only water, or even nirjal fast? What is the, is it like a graduation, and is that better?
Actually, what he is talking is already in practice in India. But for that, your mind, you should be courageous. I am talking about my wife. She has done 16th without water also, the Mondays. You know that for the Lord Shiva, Sola Somvar, what we call it as. So she has done the fasting for 16 Monday without water also. And that time we were teaching in Rishikesh, in Paramartha Ashram. She was teaching all the day, but still she was able to do. This all depends upon your ability. So in the beginning, if you have not done any time, I will suggest you that you can do it for 12 hours. For 12 hours you can try that. What he suggests is good. If you are able to do that, nothing like that. Gradually you can increase it. What I am talking, strong fasting without water also.